of you is a real life Marine. So maybe you should shut your mouth. See, we're cut from a different cloth. We've been gifted with a set of skills, both mentally and physically. Some would even call us savages.
Straight up savages.
About us is that we can strike anywhere,
anytime,
at any time, and you wouldn't see it.
Ooh,
coming.
ooh, you called it. Here we go. Ain't forgotten no more. Bye bye, bye bye, bye bye. Oh, no. New Day. Oh, Kofi. Kofi getting his head knocked right off. Ouch. Big E. Oh, Big E did too many of them. Kind of reminded me like the Shield coming out here. 3 of them working together, causing chaos. Yep, Big E. Tag team action. Woo! New Day. Oh boy. No, Kofi, leave Kofi alone. Kofi! I don't know who got, probably Big E got the worst end of that. Yes, definitely Big E. Alright, yeah, y'all be savage, y'all be beastly. And, okay, you scared me. I'm scared. They look scared too, though, so. You scared? No, but they are. I am, a little bit.